Hello. So I found a problem with the software I had the other day where I had to go through, and test it out several times for testing out. I was off a day or two over a long period of time, and it took a long. I didn't know. I figured it out when I started looking at the dates of the Constitution when it was done, and I was off by about 2 days. So I had to go through the software, and I went back all the way to the 1300, 1309, and now it's accurate. I can prove that by online. So this one's 19,906 days. If I look at that one, which was January 1st, 1309, you can see that it says it is 261,725 days, which it is. I found I had even test over a short time period as well because I found problems with that. Like I found that I would have a problem with this one. It would be off on that one, in just the same year. So I had to find out where I had my problem, and I found it. It just took me a long time to figure it out, and I'll show you that it works, and then I'm going to show you how to add the code. Just type the code in and add it to the to the working program. I have to do that because what the police are doing is limiting my internet now. They're making me run out of money again. That's what they do. Your cops think it's funny to hide the truth while they make me homeless. They think it's funny. It's a joke. So I'm going to make sure they go to jail for deprivation of rights and using the color of the law to conspire against my life. I'm going to make sure you go to jail because you know the truth and you're using the color of law to hide the truth. So that's the kind of things, it's public corruption, a civil rights violation, and it's against the law. So anyway, I'm going to show you this works. First, I'll compile this code. This is the actual C++ code, and it works. You'll see this. Yeah, I've copied this into the other program, the C# program. Yeah, I'll just do this now so you can see the whole thing. I'm copying it into the C# program as well, and I'm going to show you how to update that code. It's going to be part of this same video, but this is C++. The C# is a little bit different. There's certain things that are different in C# that the language is a little bit different. Like sitting to the screen, modifying. Like this would be different. There's several things that are different in C++ that C# is just a little bit different. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and compile this and show you that it works. I've already done it once, but this is the actual program right here. And I'll go ahead and compile it. And I'll go ahead and run it. And I'll just show you that it works. I'll pick a few of these dates out of here because that's the best way to do it. These have already gone through. So January 30th, 871. It shows 19,906 days. I'll just go real quick. I don't have to do all of them. I just need to do a few just to show you that it works. It's 357 days for this one. I'll go down here to this one looks good. And then I'll try this one. And the reason I did this is because I had to use these dates to find out, if the software worked. And I found out, well, some of them it worked and some of them it didn't. And here's the other one, this one doesn't work in C#. I don't know why. I really don't know why. Actually, I think it would. The problem is where I'm grabbing the time from, it doesn't go all the way back to the 1300s. The time date picker only goes to 1700s, early 1700s. I know it would work if it was available, in the date time picker because it works here. It works here, so it would work there too. It's just the date time picker doesn't let you go beyond, the early 1700s. Anyway, I'm gonna save this video. I'm gonna use this, and I'm gonna add this one in to the other video in which I show you how to change the code. I'm just gonna give you the code. I'm gonna let you recompile it. I'm going to show you exactly where the code needs to be changed, and you should just that way you don't have to retype everything.